Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says, Graves' disease is caused due to hyposecretion of adrenal gland, hypersecretion of adrenal gland, hyposecretion of thyroid gland और hypersecretion of thyroid gland. So यहाँ हमें क्या पूछा है? हमें पूछा है कि ग्रेव्स डिजीज किस हार्मोन के कम या ज्यादा सिक्रीशन से होता है. So what is our key concept? Our key concept is Graves' disease. So Graves' disease is also known as exophthalmic goiter, and it is caused by hypersecretion of thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine is a hormone that is secreted from the thyroid gland. So thyroid gland secrete thyroxine, and the function of thyroxine is to cause the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. जब थायरॉक्सिन का सिक्रीशन बढ़ जाएगा तो मेटाबॉलिज्म भी बढ़ जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से ग्रेव्स डिजीज होगा. एंड देयर विल बी सिम्टम्स. द सिम्टम्स ऑफ ग्रेव्स डिजीज will be excessive weight loss, diarrhea, tremors and protruding eyes. So these are the symptoms of Graves' disease. Now if we see other options, that is hyposecretion of adrenal gland, तो hyposecretion of adrenal gland की वजह से disease हो सकती है which can be called as Addison's disease. इसमें क्या होगा? इसमें secretion of adrenal gland जैसे corticoids, that is glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids will reduce. Hypersecretion of adrenal gland की वजह से disease हो सकती है such as Cushing's syndrome, जिसमें adrenal hormones such as glucocorticoid will increase. So hypersecretion of adrenal gland causes Cushing's disease. Hyposecretion of thyroid gland can cause disease such as simple goiter, जिसमें metabolism reduce हो जाता है, whereas hypersecretion causes Graves' disease. So what is our final answer? Our final answer is option 4, that is hypersecretion of thyroid gland. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck. Thank you.